That's me right there, John Tagley. This is my ice fishing film. And right now I'm about to tell everybody very nicely to line up so we can get a picture for the film.
All you assholes, get in the fucking huddle.
White Claw.
Wait. All right, let's take it back about 6 hours. How did I get here? So I finally arrive at the house about 4 hours later. I see Rob, Steve, and Joe just waking up and getting ready.
So like when we finish these coffees, like we're gonna go back to sleep actually. Yeah, fuck ice fishing. No fish.
Yasko's hurting. He had a bit too much of Grandpa's old syrup last night.
Gonna be in gym, show up a couple minutes later. And then we all head down to the lake to get it started.
All right, what's today's date? Let's start with that. 31st, right? 31st, don't matter. It's not a work day, it's a fishing day. Oh, we're out here on lovely Schroon Lake. I don't even know how many guys we got out here. 10, 11, 12, 30 somewhat tip-ups in the water. I was told I have to say I'm having a kid and I will not be here for another 21 years. Sound about right?
What's up with the cardboard?
It's my hole cover.
What does that do?
Blocks the sunlight going in the hole for A.
What?
For B, actually keeps the holes from freezing over.
It does help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuck, it can't hurt.
Okay.
Yeah, what do you think of those tires? They're the Kenda Executioners. They're pretty cheap. They're like mud tires. I didn't get oversized tires because then I gotta get a clutch kit and everything. And if you get oversized tires, you don't get a clutch kit, you burn out your belt.
All right, we're here at of Ice and Men 2020, and we're doing it.
Now here it is, the first flag. Rob he's got this tradition yelling out flag at the top of his lungs and everybody comes running over.
Take a beer here, nice cold beer. I'm waiting for it to go running. It's not going for a run, it's just holding it. Yeah, there ain't no fish there.
For some reason, I didn't see Joe catch this perch. I don't know where I was, but his tip-ups were pretty far away, and I could have been doing whatever.
Yeah, you gotta have about 50 of them, and then you're still 50 short to be full. Same joke that got against you.
Sam, yell out tip up and just starts, yell out tip up and start sprinting.
Tip up! Tip up!
We saw this random coyote just running across. I didn't notice it. I wasn't wearing my glasses, but somebody yelled out coyote, and I just happened to throw the camera over there, and I just caught it. Didn't even know that I caught it. Jim didn't even know. You see him right there. He's on his phone.
I took a shower last night and put deodorant on. I didn't bring any either.
I just happened to have the camera still running with the microphone still attached to Rob as Sam is talking about not wearing deodorant for the entire weekend.
I didn't put deodorant on today. I just forgot.
Did you bring it?
I brought it.
I didn't bring
I just forgot. Actually, I didn't forget. I was like, you know what? It's upstairs. Fuck it.
I woke up this morning and my pits were already reeking.
I never meant to be so bad to you. One thing I said that I would never do.
Right there. That's a nice anchor. Yeah, Robbie. You want me to guess? Why not? All right, before he comes along. It's just dead. Ah!
Are you serious?
No, it's too small. It was right there the whole time. Right there. It was like a 20.
He's killing. Come on.
No flag! Hey! Woohoo!
We push it right on through. I know you need it too.
Later. See the hole, John? Yep. That's a nice fish.
Oh.
Yeah! Oh, you're big time! Yeah!
Just because I haven't caught one yet doesn't mean that I'm not gonna catch the largest one on the trip like usual. And
So Gumby took it upon himself to finally buy a dedicated grill for ice fishing, and this thing turned out to be awesome.
I caught one yesterday.
No, we're the old ballpark Franks. I'd rather have butter or something, but we're in the middle of no man's land, and I'm not really worried about butter. I'm sure no one else is either.
How do we not have flags going up left and right when I'm over here trying to cook? It's usually the way it works.
Rob has to go back to the house. Every time
The
he has
camera-
to shit,
The
or
camera,
the camera has to go, then the flags go up.
I tried to capture the stories of everybody as the things were happening. It's not easy. Sometimes people just don't want to do what you say. Go figure.
Hey, my name's John. All right, so I'm trying to quarterback this film here, and these guys, it's not the easiest bunch to work. Rob, what are you doing?
I was gonna get a little wider of a shot so I can get everything in the background out.
No,
Or in.
don't touch it.
Don't set it. Let it. What? Who's this dude? Why is he coming so close to us? John, look at this.
Ice fishing can be boring at times, so in order to give it a little bit of life, whenever there's a tip up, we would yell tip up at the top of our lungs while sprinting towards the tip up at full speed across the ice.
Reset it! Are you serious? Yeah, it's not running. We'll stand here for the next 10 minutes.
All right, fish on. Come on. Who's tip up? Tony. Oh yeah.
And this one's got like maybe 50 feet of line on it.
Next run, dude. Next run, I'd be setting it. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'd set it. On? Yeah. Good. You gonna keep it? You want to guess?
I don't know, we'll see.
Oh shit. Oh, I'm close. It's only 3 feet of line right
It's
there.
not big.
No?
No, but I don't wanna.
Don't be negative, Nancy. It's huge.
Oh. You want it? Yes.
There you go.
Perfect!
Nice.
Yeah, we got a fish!
They're starting to get hungry.
Yeah.
They're heading south, boys!
Did it keep it up?
18 is illegal.
No, he got it. Yeah, he got it out.
Yeah, or just reset it and just hang out right here.
Nope, no fish.
My name's Joe. I'm from Maryland. That's between Pennsylvania and Virginia, for those of you not aware.
Wait, don't set it. Let it. Wait, John, did you really fall with the camera?
Oh, yeah.
Did you get that on film? I'm good.
All right, so we got 2:10 p.m. We got a fish on. Couldn't have been any further away from where we were standing. Probably 200 yards. It's a reset?
So in the industry, they're generally referred to as wind flags. The wind makes the flag go up. We see the flag, we run over. only to realize that there's no fish on it.
Yep, he's there. It's hard to tell. No, there's a fish there. Yep.
Way to the side.
There's a fish. Joe, get the gas. Oh yeah, baby! Yeah! Got.
Dude, that looks like almost keeper size right there.
Look how dark that one is. We got a fish!
And it's dead.
Yeah, there you go. Very good.
All right, so we're finally up here, 2020. I don't know how many people we have, maybe 12, 13, 14 maybe. Fishing's been pretty slow today. Joe Wood caught a perch, little yellow perch. I caught a 19-inch Laker. That was pretty cool.
That's spinning.
Joe, is this yours?
Now, Joe Wood came all the way up from Maryland. It took him like 5-6 hours to get up here. So we always want him to catch a fish. So we're so happy when he actually does get a tip up.
I'm an odd man out, so everybody else gets a nice cozy bed with pillows and blankets, and I sleep on a couch.
It's not that you're the odd man, it's just that no one likes you.
Reset it! It's moving. Is it? Yep. Yeah, I would set that fucker. Let it.
It's getting ready to pop it again.
That's a perch.
Get ready to get it again.
Oh shit. Yep.
Hey, it's another fish on the ice though, man.
Yeah, so matters. We got a fish! Look at it.
You might not be able to. This is 36 inches.
For some reason, I actually love fishing this spot. Never catch anything here, but it's the way it goes. So don't come to Schroon Lake ice fishing ever. Bad idea.
Look at the way it's swallowing that shiner.
It's like deep throating it. Give me that.
Found the perch grounds.
Oh, you got another perch?
Got another perch right there.
Oh, that's adorable.
I want to catch fish. I do too. And I'm still just sitting here.
Please get up.
It's fucking beautiful out.
This is
It's getting dark and everybody's leaving. You know, we're packing up.
So after a long day of ice fishing, we go back to the house. We have a huge dinner.
Yasko brought up a ton of food. He claims he made it all. Pretty sure he just ordered it from Bucci's Deli and put his own mark on it. Either way, it's going to be delicious.
The hot is closest to you when you're serving yourself. Sweet is towards the back.
I served myself.
That Irishman, the movie, was horrible.
You didn't like it?
Didn't see it.
I thought it was a good movie.
Too much.
And we usually get to bed pretty early, about 10, 10:30, and we're in bed because we want to get up early. We're usually up at 6, the way we can hit the ice by maybe 7:30-ish, and back at it. Judging from past years, day 2 is usually pretty special. We've already been here for a day, we're settled in, and we've slept over. And now it really seems like an ice fishing trip rather than just a day trip up to a lake. We'll make a big breakfast, get everybody fed, plenty of cups of coffee, and then we head out to the ice. So without further ado, day 2.
They're at the gate, and they're off. I was born from the darkness, dipped in fire, and given light. I was told I am something in love when I desire dies in the ground. While not knowing on the surface there was light, I was obsessed with the shadows. My desires were all I knew. It was all I knew.
It's like 7:30, 8 o'clock. We're all down here now.
My friend Pat showed up.
How far down are you
I
fishing?
said, come up for the day, ice fish with us. We got plenty of food, drinks, everything. give it a shot up here at Schroon. I'm glad he showed up, and he's got some really high-tech gear.
My name is Pat. I'm up here at the Tagley Camp on Schroon Lake. First time ice fishing this lake.
Battery's dead. Brand new one. We'll see if it runs. Now my fuel injectors or something's heating up, overheating. Chevy needs to make quads. They'd be like a rock.
Don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and oh, it dawned on me, yeah.
Oh, the bait fucking fell over?
Yeah, quick.
Oh, bro, where'd my bait go?
And it's nice morning. It's probably like 32.
I'd be shocked if we don't catch something nice today with all the participation we got going on up here.
We got a fish on.
So, unless it went off, that's just the weight plant.
One. One.
All the way out that way. Holy shit.
Is he running?
Flag. It's not. There's a fish on there. It's not sprinting, so I'm waiting for it to sprint.
Yeah, another wind flag.
Second fish. It's not even running?
Yet again, another wind flag.
We're not allowed to catch fish.
Can't. You destroyed a perfect record. Deep here, huh?
No.
What's your bait?
Oh, he's swimming good. Pocket lint.
All right. Back to the fire.
No. You get one great shot out of the whole.
All right, well, the video's only going to be so good.
No, make it better. If it's not good, we're gonna all blame it on you.
We wait for this every year.
I'm in the Milky Way. You want me down on Earth, but I am up in space. You're so damn hard to please. We got
Right now, it's just wow. Getting in his gut.
His heart rate is about 95 beats a minute.
Should I give him mouth to mouth?
I think we better get
Dick to mouth.
Bro, what the fuck?
Are there any fucking bite marks on him, man? That should not have pulled it like that. It's a dead shiner. Yeah, no, there's some fucking...
Yeah, it looks like it's coming.
All right, you guys gonna watch?
Yeah.
You laugh first?
Now, my dumbass thought that this was a good idea.
I did this before. It was awesome.
And believe me, I was paying for it for a couple days afterward. I gotta say, it was a lot of fun. Now here we have the world record of slowest race ever. Now, these quads aren't necessarily slow, but on ice, they accelerate slowly because they're just fighting for traction.
Sick. Fuck! Just get on the side. Slow down.
We'll just leave it. This was the same one that went off earlier.
Joe, I think you lost that one. Right here, flag, tip up.
Oh, dude, I got to tip up as well. You're my fucking... Put it in reverse!
I'm fucking trying. That's it. Dude, we have like a squall coming in.
My sunroof is open in my car.
Why would it be open in the winter?
Because I was filming out the sunroof last night.
Are you fucking shitting me or what?
Not shitting you.
3 quads next to each other with back.
With the wood in the... There was no oil in the cylinders when you just did that.
What's he doing?
Running to his house real quick to get more White Claw.
But day 2 is when shit gets hairy. You know?
All right, so here's the status. It's about 5:30.
Status! Oh, here's Sam. Wow.
Yo, Tony. Oh. You know, last year on the video, I spelled February wrong. I had to like recorrect it. I had no idea it's February.
Yeah.
I thought it was February.
No.
All right. Guy, can you put this in your truck and take it home?
I don't have a truck. I have a race car.